David, tell me about this.
Huh?
Tell me about this.
This is Scott.
I love it.
In Afghanistan.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yep.
Why would you do that?
Because
That's very
you
sad.
haven't finished reading it yet.
I have to read something? What am I reading?
There's just like a whole thing here.
There's a whole thing? Oh.
What?
Very nice. When did you do this?
Don't worry about it.
It's very nice. Let me tell you what though, your card's not at the same level as this gift. It'll bring us
That's funny. I prefer pics of nudes today. Yeah. True. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. I'm sorry I went silly this year.
No, Sully's good.
Can I see the nude card?
Yeah. Come on. Get outside, you. Go.
Are you girls hungry?
Oh, I need to get some more food in this.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Love Day, and if you saw earlier in the vlog, our first little intro, it's been a very emotional Valentine's Day. I had some emotions. David got me a really sweet gift and I got him a naked cat card, so we were not on the same page about Valentine's Day, but that is okay. So today we are in Ferndale. We are at Urban Rest Brewing Company and we are having a lobster festival meal. It was probably extremely loud in the restaurant, but we enjoyed our lobster food truck. We got everything on the menu except the bisque. The bisque. We didn't get the bisque, but the lobster bites and the lobster roll was our favorite. I am very picky about my mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese and I know what is the best, and I've had better lobster mac and cheese before. Not that that wasn't good, but I like other lobster mac and cheese better because that's just my thing. But it was really good. It was kind of expensive, but it was Valentine's Day, so it was worth it. And it was an experience and we enjoyed it. So now we're actually headed to my sister's house. And I think tomorrow I'm going to try my best to take you along with us. David and I are doing a styled wedding shoot and we are actually the models, which is funny, I guess. We're not really the model type, I should say, but we're gonna be the models, and I'm doing all of the styling and all of the planning, so I will take you along so you can see all of the decor and fun stuff with that. Hello everyone, it's a new day. My makeup is fierce, so I used the Sabrina palette again, and this lip color is, I think it's called Vamp by Makeup Revolution. I don't know if they sell it now. It was out around Halloween, but it kind of goes with my dark moody eyes, and so I'm gonna try my best to have you guys come along with us for the shoot so you guys can see what I do day to day. I am a wedding planner, so these are the types of things that I do, and so you can see my creative side and what I do day to day.
This cake is absolutely insane. It's so pretty. I felt like that picture didn't do it justice. The topper so good.